Dear children, I am Pooja Vadva and I welcome you all to this first podcast on Home Science, Chapter 10 Care and Maintenance of Fabric. I am starting this podcast with cleaning and finishing agents used in routine care. There are various aids which help in the process of laundering. These are classified as auxiliaries and cleansers. First, I am starting with auxiliaries. There are some products which give a good finish to the fabric during the process of laundering. These are known as auxiliaries. Some of the auxiliaries are: first one is blue, second is stiffening agents, third is bleaches. So I am starting with blue. It is a chemical used as a fabric whitener. It is applied just before the last rinse and is available in the form of powder or a liquid. To apply blue on a white fabric, a teaspoon of washing blue is tied to a muslin cloth. Alternatively, in the liquid form, a few drops of blue are added in the water. The water is stirred well. The article is opened and made wet and then dipped in this solution, after which the article is squeezed and put out in the sun. Sometimes article is excessively blued. It should be dipped in plain water with a few drops of vinegar or lime juice. Second auxiliary is stiffening agents. Starch is used to stiffen cotton and linen, while gum is used to stiffen silk and rayon. These help to give crispness and shine to the fabric. Starch clothes do not get dirty easily. To starch a garment, you should just take some starch paste, example arrowroot, rice, etc., cooked in water, and then that is added in the basin of water and mixed well. If any lump is there, you should strain it. Borax can be added in this solution to prevent starched garments from sticking to surface of the iron. Then the article is opened, made wet, dipped in starch solution, squeezed well and then hung out in the sun. If article is to be both starched and blued, then the blue can be added to the starch solution itself. Last auxiliary is chemical bleaches. These help to brighten the fabric. Bleaches are of two types: oxidizing and reducing. Oxidizing bleaches are the ones in which the oxygen in these bleaches gets liberated and forms a colorless compound when exposed to the stain. And examples are sunlight with moisture, air and grass. Reducing bleaches. These remove oxygen from the stain and make them colorless. These are less strong in action than oxidizing bleaches. Examples of reducing bleaches are sodium hydrosulfite and sodium bisulfate. There are some stain removing reagents also. So first one is acidic reagents. Common reagents in this category are acetic acid, that we usually commonly call them as vinegar, lemon, tomato and oxalic acid. These are mostly used to remove ink and rust stain. Second reagent is alkaline reagents. Ammonia, borax, baking soda are common reagents used in this category. These are used to remove tea, coffee and perspiration stains. Third one is grease solvents. Commonly used solvents are turpentine, acetone, white petrol, methylated spirit and carbon tetrachloride. Stains such as paints, polishes, grease are dissolved with these. Last one is grease absorbents. Bran, Fuller's Earth, talcum powder, French chalk, and powdered magnesia are some of the grease absorbents. These are used to absorb oil and grease stains. In my next podcast, we will talk about cleansers or emulsifying agents. Thank you.